This is the Maryland Amber Alert System activated for Arundel County, Maryland. A child has been abducted from the town of Monresa and is believed to be in danger. The child's name is Rocco Bauer. He is a 17-year-old white male, 6 feet 1 inches tall, 170 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes. Last seen wearing a pink cap, white headphones, silver chain, white t-shirt, pink puffy vest, gray sweatpants, and brown Uggs. Authorities believe the child may be in the company of Daniela Elena Bauer and they may be traveling in a gray 2011 Hyundai Sonata bearing Maryland license plate 5RS8434. If seen, call 911.